Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2016 Suzuki GSX-S1000. This is Suzuki's full-size sport standard motorcycle. Has the 998cc inline 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has 13,340 miles on the odometer. This bike is mainly all stock, like a new condition. This bike runs very nicely, very smooth. Has traction control, 3 power modes, 3 rider modes, nice upright seating position, very comfortable, great around town, great up in the mountains, very comfortable and priced right at $65.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.